Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to merge vector layers in ArcGIS Pro while keeping track of where each feature came from. In this example I have three layers: North Rivers, Middle Rivers and South Rivers. And I'm going to merge them into a single layer called Rivers, with a field that tells me the source layer of each feature. First, I go to Geoprocessing and search for the Calculate Field tool. For the input table, I select North Rivers. In field name, I create a new field called Source Layer. And for the expression, I type North. Then I click Run. Now you can see that the layer has a new field with the text North in every feature. I do the same for Middle Rivers and South Rivers using the values Middle and South. Once this is done, I go back to Geoprocessing and search for the Merge tool. In Input Datasets, I select the three layers. I name the output dataset Rivers and click Run. And that's it. Now I have a final layer with all the rivers and a field that tells me the source layer of every feature. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.